Hey guys, what's going on? It is about it's about 10:30 in the morning, and I'm out here in the garage right now starting to work on the bike. Let me try turning the camera around here. Oh shoot, I can't now that this is recording. Okay, well I'll just turn this thing around this way. But I took the seat off. Where we at here? See, I've got the seat off of the bike right now, and hopefully I can aim this without looking at the screen. But this plate right here went on the seat like this, and it was squared up, and then this plate fits in between the frame. This mesh is with the steel wool. I don't know how good that is. I would replace that, but I don't have any new steel wool. But this is so when I'm driving it and I stop and all the heat rising up off of the engine won't transfer directly to this plate, so all the heat has to go through all of this stuff here first before it gets to the plate and then transfer into the wood. But this is really icky, and I forgot how elaborate I had to put this whole thing together, because it's a 12-inch board and 20 something 22 inches long or something like that. But you see, I had to use multiple boards and then bracket it all together because I didn't have one board. And see all these, wow, this is really bad. And I did go down and get some new vinyl, and it's not too bad. I mean, it was I think $20 for a yard. So, and I know that the last time I made this, I bought a yard also. And the amount of material that's on this seat right now is maybe half of a yard, if that. Which means I lost the other half yard somewhere in this mess. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take this all apart and throw some of this stuff away. I mean, I can't use anything here because the board has broke. Look at that, it's all crusted. Yeah, wow. Yeah, and see, look at that. Finally went down and got my hair cut. It took me 4 days. 5 days to get into the cost cutters. No, it was Great Clips I went into. And it took forever for me to get in there. Okay. Wow. You. These are all the first. These staples. Well, I'm not gonna keep this vinyl, so I'm just gonna cut it off. Alright, now one of the problems that I have with this thing is that for it to sit on the bike, and the frame that goes underneath this fits inside of the 1-inch square tubing that I have. And it is the board, the straight across points is 11 inches, and I can't find an 11-inch board. Everything is 11 and 1/4, but this is a 12-inch board. So I have to cut this board down and do the same thing I did on here with this board, which kind of sucks. So yeah, then piece it together, because I don't have any plywood to cut out a perfect 12 by 12 inch by 20, what is this, 23 and a half, maybe 23.5 inch board. So yeah, so I gotta piece it all together because I don't have any plywood. Alright, so I got the two primary pieces cut, and I got the middle piece here, and I'm doing this a little bit different than the last one because the last one didn't hold up very well. Well, I mean it did, but you know. And what I'm doing here is I've got this is a total of 24 and a half inches, and I've got it glued, I've got it clamped, and when that dries, I'll be putting this plate on one side and this plate on the other side and screwing them back into place, and it'll hold this all together. And then I'll have to drill, or no, I'll have to drill some holes to put in these T-nuts, and then I'll probably just clean up these bolts a little bit better, the old ones that I had on here, and then yeah, I can put these in the new parts washer, clean those up a little bit, and yeah, then have to deal with the foamy stuff. But I got to get this base done first, and I got to let this dry. So yeah. Alright, so I let the glue dry a little bit. Then I put this plate on, put that plate on. Now I'm putting in these T-nuts, tapping these into place. And yeah, getting loud. And I've cut the foam down into a whole bunch of strips, taped the ends together so they stay in somewhat alignment. Now I'm gonna have to put this all, yeah, this is the back end. So I got toothpicks in here holding this foam into place and I got tape on it. Now I need to, the vinyl, yeah, yeah, that's gonna be squishy on my tushy. Okay, so I got this laid out here, got the board facing down, yeah. Trimmed off some of these corners, some of this fold over stuff. Kind of misaligned it. Look at that. I just barely was able to get that side in there. Dang it. But luckily, this is the front. Maybe this is the back. I can't remember. But yeah. So now it's time to put the frame on and bolt everything in. Okay. That was kind of a pain in the butt putting that back on, putting the frame back on there. That kind of sucks. This front piece here, it is more flat than the back piece is. The back piece is more angled. It would look better if the more angled portion would be in the front here. But I can't put it on this way because the reason for that stuff on the bottom here, this is to make sure that the heat from the exhaust doesn't penetrate the steel or affect the wood underneath. So this has to go this way on there, so the exiting exhaust and stuff like that hits this stuff here. So I don't even know how comfortable this thing is gonna be. So. Let's see here. And I'll probably take some tie straps and strap this down. Oh. Oh man, no way. Now it's way too firm on my butt. Dang. Go from being too soft to being too firm. I don't know. Let me take it out for a quick spin, see what it's like. Well, alright. So, I got it all strapped in there. Had to take some zip ties, and I connected a few of them together to go all the way around. And now she's in there firm. Yeah. Yeah, but like I said, this thing is, that seat is a lot more firm than what it used to be. And, yeah, I don't know. Well, it's kind of too late now, but oh well. Anyways, guys, I'm going to jump on out of here. And, thumbs up the video. Comment down below. I've been thinking about maybe building another one of these bikes. That's what I've been thinking about doing. Maybe. I don't know. But I got to get this other one done first. So, yeah. Man, maybe one of these days I'll start cleaning this place up. Right. I'll get right on that tomorrow. All right, but I'll see you guys later. All right, bye-bye.